Hello friends, I hope all of you are fine. Friends, in our today's video, you are going to get designer style ideas but a unique pattern that how you can design your dresses with a unique style of antique style embroidery design idea. Yes friend, all of these are antique style embroidery patterns that will represent a very beautiful traditional look that you can specifically wear onto like traditional occasions like Eid festival, like any type of formal party, like any type of traditional dressing and many more creativities related to traditional perspectives where you want to look like a unique and a creative and elegant type of person. So these embroidery designs are all for you. So when we talk about antique embroidery design, then some sort of unique type of embroidery stitches are being used to make these antique type of hand embroidery designs. If we talk about antique type of embroidery or antique embroidery stitches, then these embroidery stitches consist of Sindhi embroidery, Gujarati jammer, Gujarati jama, Kutch work, or Balochi embroidery, or some sort of Sindhi or Pashto embroidery along with some knotted stitches, and you can make them more creative and antique and unique style with the use of mirror work as well. I hope that you are getting the points. And specifically for making antique type of hand embroidery designs, if you want to keep the look dull, matte and decent, then you can use wool or sewing thread for making these patterns. If you want to create a thick embroidery, a 3D type of pattern, then I suggest you to use wool for embroidering these patterns. If you want sleek or some sort of thin embroidery along with a touch of delicacy, then you can use sewing thread for making these patterns. And if you want to give it a formal touch, to give it a shiny touch, then use silky threads like Anchor, DMC and some sort of silk threads that are available in different companies like Vico, Thread Bonds and many more other brands as per different regions of the country as well. So I hope that you have liked the designs. Different creativities are being shared with you, and by along designing the neckline pattern, you can give a all over embroidery spray by choosing one of the flowers used in the hand embroidery pattern for the neckline. You can design your kurtis more beautifully, more elegantly, more ravishingly by using these color combination and design patterns. So hope to see you soon back in my channel with my new upcoming videos. Up till then, don't forget to like, subscribe and share my videos massively with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching.